Hi creators, I am Srishti Jain, the content lead at Wishlink and also a content creator. I've been creating content for the last 5 years around fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And today, I'm here to share some secrets to writing captions that will convert your views into earnings. Let's break down a high converting caption together. The first line of your caption is crucial because that's the part that will always be visible to your audience. Based on our insights, only 30% of your audience actually reads the whole caption. The best practice is to add an intriguing CTA so that there's a spark of curiosity in your audience and they know what to do after seeing your video. This helps you grab your audience's attention and make them want to read more. Whether it's clicking a link, visiting your Wishlink store, or just commenting below, your CTA should be direct and easy to follow. For example, tap the link in my bio to shop this product and see the difference for yourself. Or else, comment link if you're ready to upgrade your wardrobe. Remember, the CTA is where the magic happens. It converts the interest into actions and actions into commissions. Next is where you want to talk a little more about the product. Its features, your personal opinion, or anything you want to add additionally. Here you can also talk about the brand, the coupon codes, or any discount offers. The idea is to talk as much as you can about the brand or the product that influences them to shop from your recommendation. Use bullet points or short sentences to make it easy to read. Next, the most important step, add the hashtag Wishlink. This allows you to use Wishlink Engage, our auto comment and DM feature. All you need to do is enable this feature on the Wishlink Creator app, and whenever your audience comments on your post or DMs you your post, they will receive links of the featured products automatically, turning every comment and DM to earnings. A few bonus tips to enhance your captions. Use emojis. Emojis can make your captions engaging, break the text and add personality. Tag brands. Always tag brands you're promoting. It boosts your visibility, increases your post reach, and builds a trust with your audience. Keep it authentic. Your audience can sense authenticity, so stay genuine and relatable to build trust and encourage actions. And there you go, a foolproof guide to writing captions that can earn you commissions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Wishlink. Happy captioning! See you in the next video.